In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PIN for your Amazon account. Managing your online security is crucial, and setting up a PIN adds an extra layer of protection. Let's dive right in so you can keep your account secure in just a few simple steps. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon's homepage by typing in Amazon.com. As you arrive here, sign in with your credentials, entering your email or mobile number and password. Make sure you're on a secure network, ideally a private one at home, to keep your login details safe. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Amazon homepage where you can access various account options. Now on the homepage, look towards the top of the screen for the Accounts and Lists tab. Go ahead and click that, and a drop-down menu should appear. In this menu, select Account to be taken to a page full of options concerning your orders, recommendations, and security settings. On the Account page, you want to focus on the Login and Security section. Click on this option. It's a good practice to review this section every so often to ensure everything is up to date, including your password and two-step verification settings, if enabled. Once inside the Login and Security section, you'll notice a list of items associated with your account. Look for the option labeled something similar to Set up Amazon PIN or just Set up concerning account security. Click on this to proceed with entering the setup area specifically for creating this unique PIN. As you proceed, you may find a section that is subtly highlighted or appears as an additional security prompt. Click on it to continue. Amazon's interface is designed in such a way that essential security settings are easy to identify and navigate. Next, the interface will guide you to the part where you can create your recovery PIN. Your PIN is a crucial backup for identity verification if there are issues with your standard login credentials. When choosing your PIN, think of a number combination that is easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Finally, you'll be prompted to type in your recovery PIN. Input the 4-digit code you've decided on. Be diligent at this point. Ensure you enter the digits correctly. This PIN acts as a backup to safeguard your account. After you've inputted your PIN, save the settings to ensure everything is set correctly. And there you have it. Your Amazon account now has the added security of a personalized PIN. Remember, while a PIN is a beneficial layer of protection, always use unique passwords, keep your email up to date, and be mindful of phishing attempts. Thanks for joining today, and make sure to check out more of our tips for securing your online experience.